Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss the example for integration. Sketched and shaded the region R bounded by the curve where we have y is equals to square root of x. Second function where we have the line y equals to 2 minus x. And the third one is the y-axis. Hence, find the area of the region R. So first, we have two functions. One is a square root graph, another one is a linear graph. So my suggestion is to find the points of intersection. So where we have square root of x is equals to 2 minus x. My suggestion is to square both sides in order to eliminate the square root. So we will have x is equals to 4 minus 4x plus x squared. Rearrange the situation. So x squared minus 5x plus 4 equals to 0. Factorize the situation. X minus 4 multiplied with x minus 1 equals to 0. So x is equals to 4, x is equals to 1. Kindly substitute the value x into the equation. So we will have y is equals to 2, y is equals to 1. So where we have the points of intersection 4, 2, 1, 1. Next is to sketch the graph. So as we all know, for the function y is equals to square root of x. So here we have the situation. Y is equals to square root of x. As for the function y is equals to 2 minus x, where we have the graph towards the left and pass by the value 2. So let's say here we have 1 and 2. So if we substitute the value x is equals to 0, we will have y is equals to 2. If we substitute y is equals to 0, and we will obtain the value of x is equals to 2. So here we have 1 and 2. So here we have y is equals to 2 minus x. Now what we have to do is to find the region. Bounded by the curve y equals to square root of x, and then y equals to 2 minus x and the y-axis. So meaning that in here, will be the region. So kindly construct the formula for the area. So my decision is to integrate respect to x. So meaning that we have to draw a line. So from here to this part where we have longest, next one we have the shortest. So meaning that the straight line minus the curve. So the function would be 2 minus x minus with the square root of x with respect to x for the limits 0 until 1. Next, what we have to do is to modify the situation. So integrate 2 minus x to the power 1 over 2 with respect to x. Integrate the situation. 2x minus x squared over 2 minus where we have x to the power of 3 over 2. So here we will have 2 over 3 for the limit 1, 0. So if we substitute the value 1, and we will have 2 minus 1 over 2 minus 2 over 3. If we substitute 0, and we'll obtain 0. Kindly make use of the calculator. So the area will be equals to 5 over 6 unit square. Next, we focus on the second part B. If R1 is the region bounded by the curve y equals to square root of x, y equals to 2 minus x, and the x-axis. So here will be the region. So here the points of intersection is 1. Same goes to this part, 1. So now here we have the region R1. So if we observe the situation, in order to find the R1, actually here we have a triangle. Okay, triangle. So how to find the triangle? So here we have the value 2. Same goes to this part, we have value 2. So previously, we already denoted this part as R, and the value is 5 over 6. So my suggestion is area for R1 is equals to a triangle minus the region R. So where we have 1 over 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with the 2 minus 5 over 6. So the region R1 is equals to 2 minus 5 over 6. So the area for region R1 will be equals to 7 over 6. So kindly refers to the situation. Question mentioned that deduce ratio R to R1. So meaning that here we have R over R1 equals to, where we have R is equals to 5 over 6 over R1 where we have 7 over 6. So if we simplify the situation, R over R1, and we will have 5 over 7. So in ratio form, R ratios to R1. So in here, automatically, we have 5 ratio 7. So that is the situation for part B. Next, find the volume of the solid generated when the region R, so here we have the region R, and here we will have 1. It's rotated 360 degrees about the x-axis, so means that we have to rotate at this part. So kindly make use of the situation. So here we have the longest line minus the shortest line. Volume equals to pi integrate, where we have the line 2 minus x bracket square minus the shortest line will be the square root of x square with respect to x for the limit 0 until 1. Expand the situation. So v is equals to pi integrate, where we have 2 minus x to the power of 2 minus x with respect to x. Integrate the situation. 2 minus x to the power of 3 over 3. Do remember, differentiate the internal function and we will have negative 1. Minus x squared over 2 for the limit 1, 0, pi. Kindly substitute the situation. So if we substitute the situation, and we will have pi bracket 1 over negative 3 minus with 1 over 2 minus, if we substitute 0, and we will have 8 over negative 3 minus with 0. So v is equals to pi bracket negative 1 over 3 minus 1 over 2, and we will have negative 5 over 6 plus with 8 over 3. So v is equals to 11 pi over 6 unit cube. So here we are, and thanks for watching.